Hi everybody, happy Monday. Welcome to this week's Make It Monday. And for this week's project, we are doing Mason Jar Tealights. So what do we need for this activity? We need a mason jar. I have these, I have this size. But if you've got something bigger, certainly use that. I've got 3 different colors of tissue paper. I've got some white, some dark blue, and some light blue. I have a paintbrush. I have ELMER'S glue. I have a tea light, and I have some scissors. And I picked these 3 colors because it's winter and we're doing a wintry theme. So let's get started. The very first thing that you need is your tissue paper. And maybe you want to think about this before you get started, what kind of design you want to do. So before we came on camera, I decided I was going to do some circles, and you can see I already got started. So you can trace it, cut them out, just like I did here. See, can you see this, Roz?
Yes.
I've got some blue. I'm at the library today, so I've got Roz as my camera person, then gets a break. So I've got these little circles, and I'm just going to make a little circle pattern. So what you need to do, and if you don't have scissors, you can always just take tissue paper and rip it up. That's a lot of fun too. So basically it's however you want your light to look. So you take some glue and you put it on the outside of the jar, just a layer like this. You see this? And like I said, I just picked just like that. So once you put the glue down, you just take some of your circles or whatever your pattern is and just put them right on top of the glue, and they stick just like this. And this is so much fun to do. And you keep going with the pattern. Maybe you want to take it and maybe you want to make a snowman, and I just picked this because it kind of looked like snow with these colors. Keep going around the whole jar until you are completely finished, or until you're happy with your final result. And then you're going to let it, I'm going to add one more. This is actually a lot of fun, and it's actually really relaxing. It's fun to do this. It's even more fun if I can get my tissue paper to separate. Here we go. See that? Got it. Okay.
So pretty.
I know, isn't it? It actually, and it dries really cool because I started this, as I tell you all the time, I always practice before I come on air. This is all dry. Look at how cool that looks. Isn't that neat? All dried. So keep going with your design. When you are all finished, you're going to take your tea light and you're going to turn it on. This one has a switch on the bottom, but we do have some that you just have to turn it. So just make sure you look at which tea light you have. And then you just stick it in just like this. And here is your final result. And it will look much cooler when it's dark and not so bright like it is here in the library. But it looks really neat when it's all finished. So this week, this is what we have in our Go Packs. We are giving you everything to make one of these at home. So we've got these great Go Packs, the glue, the paintbrush, the tissue paper, the mason jar, and the instructions are in all of these bags. We will be giving this exact bag away. We will have some at the Southeast branch, and we'll have some here at Maine. So please stop in and pick one up. And as always, if you do it, we would love to see your finished product on our Instagram page. I will be back next week with an edible food project, and I know everybody loves food. So until then, we all love food, don't we?
We do.
So until then, I hope everybody has a great week, and I hope to see you real soon.